Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are doing well. So let's start with computer class. Your chapter is formulas and functions. Formulas we already discussed. Today's topic is functions. So what is function? Functions are the predefined formulas in Excel to perform both simple and complex calculations. They save time and eliminate the chance to write wrong formulas. Why wrong? Because in Excel all formulas are predefined there. So we can save our time, and they accept arguments and return the values. Now what is argument? Arguments are the input values to functions upon which calculations are performed to find out the final result. Like you are entering the database of student record. In this student record you are enter the marks of English, Hindi and computer. Now you want to calculate the marks. Okay, so Hindi, English and computer, what are these? These are the input values, means argument. Now you want to calculate and get the final result. Okay, so these values can be number, text, etc. are enclosed within a parentheses, means brackets. Okay, so functions begins with the equal to sign. Clear? So how you will open a MS Excel? Firstly click on start button, then click on Microsoft Office Excel. Okay, otherwise you will click on all programs, then click on Microsoft Office. In Microsoft Office your Microsoft Office programs are there. You can click on Microsoft Excel. Clear? Now this is your Microsoft Excel window. First line is title bar, second is your menu bar, and third is your ribbon area. This is your spreadsheet. Okay, and in spreadsheet A, B, C, what is these? These are columns, and 1, 2, 3 these are rows, and one cell, this is called cell. The cell is the intersection between column and row. Understood? Now I have made already one table. In this table of student record, these first I have entered the serial number, then name, then class, then subject Hindi, English, computer. So what is this? These are called arguments, means input values. Functions begins with the equal to sign when we use the function in Excel sheet. So firstly we will use the equal to sign. Every function start with equal to sign. Clear? Rules to enter a function. All Excel function must begin with equal to sign. Function name must be valid Excel name, means because functions inbuilt already defined, so we will use the valid name of the function. Like sum, if you want to calculate the sum, so you can enter the valid name like SUM. If you want to calculate the average, so you have to write the valid name of average. Clear? And functions must be followed by the opening and closing bracket. You have to enter the function with opening and closing bracket. Clear? Next is common functions. Common function means auto sum. The auto sum option, besides being the common and the fastest way to find out the total of the given number range, also provide option to the find the average, count, max, minimum, etc. Clear? Like first is your common function sum. If you want to calculate the total number of values, so you will use the sum function. I will tell you with practical. Like I have entered database of class 7th record. Now I want to apply the sum function. So I already told you functions always start with equal to sign, then you have to write the valid function name sum, then start the bracket, opening bracket, After you will enter the argument, then close bracket. This is the formula of function of sum. Sum function. Function always start with equal to sign. Every function start with equal to sign. Then we will enter the function name, valid function name. Like you want to apply the sum, then you have to write sum sum, then start the opening bracket, then enter your input values, then apply closing bracket. Okay, then press the enter key. This is the total number of sum. This is the function of sum formula.